know when you want me to start.
And then we can kind of have it for documentation too. Go ahead.
Okay, so what we have here, if you can see my hands, is I have 2 audio recorders that I started at the same time, and I marked with a clap sound. And then I plugged the Raudive diode into one of them so that they're recording at the same time. So when I go back to listen to the Raudive one, if there's anything on there, I can compare it to the one next to it. And to kind of give us a little extra bump here, I've also got an EM pump going, just to put a little more EM into the air. And then on each side of it, we set these plasma balls. And the point of the plasma balls is to, if anything comes near it that produces some kind of energy, we might be able to see that something was here.
And
I also had a static sensor set up as well, but I've turned it off because it was just staying on constantly. But it wasn't because of these, because I had it far enough away.
Right. And we also had regular audio recorders going on in here too.
Yes. In addition to the second one.
Right. And do you want to kind of explain who Constantine was? EVP wise, in case
Constantine
Raudive. For the people, I mean, well, for anybody that, yeah,
isn't it awesome?
For anybody that may not be aware how influential he was.
Controversial person, but he was big in the early days of ITC and EVP, and he was big on recording in different formats to try to find out if there's a way that these voices were showing up on the recordings. He recorded EVP inside of a Faraday cage, proving that you can get sound in a vacuum if it's electronic voice phenomena. And he also came up with this diode, which is what this is, which basically you attach it to a microphone in place of the mouthpiece on the microphone so that actual sounds aren't recorded unless they go through this diode. And I know the name of the diode too, and I just can't think of it.
It's geranium, right?
Yes, thank you. Yes. And voices will still show up on the recorder that nobody hears, and sometimes don't even show up on the other recorders.
That's gonna.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. I saw it going off there. Yeah.
So that's why I put the second recorder next to it, was to see if I pick up something on one using the diode and the other one.
Cool.
So yeah, if something is recorded through this as a microphone, it is not a natural sound.
Sweet. Well, I just wanted to do that for documentation purposes. So yay, yay. This is mine, and that's Becky's, and that's Becky's. And so is that right there. But this one, this isn't it cute? Aren't they cute? But I'm excited. I'm excited to see, if we got anything.
Yeah, me too.
So, say hi, Tina.
Oh, no. There's no Tanya's here.
There's no Tanyas.
There is no Tanya, only Tanya.
Oh, man. He slimed me.
Said, "You're not even tan."
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Well, that was our little intro here to what we are doing experiment-wise. So, hello, my baby. Hello, my so,
that was a different investigation.
Yeah. So, anywho, cool. Now that we got this little video, I'm going to go ahead and hit stop.
Okay. You can open the door if you want.